In today's video, I'll show you how to clean install Windows 10 the easy way and the advanced way. A clean install is perfect if your PC is slow, full of errors, or you simply want a fresh start with no old files or apps. Before we begin, this is very important. Back up all your important data. A clean install removes everything from your system drive. Let's start with the easiest method, using Windows' built-in reset option. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. Next, go to Update and Security, then click Recovery. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started. Now choose Remove Everything. This option gives you a fresh Windows install. You'll then be asked to choose between Local Reinstall or Cloud Download. Local Reinstall is faster, while Cloud Download gets fresh Windows files. Follow the on-screen instructions, confirm your choices, and Windows will restart and reinstall automatically. Once setup is complete, you'll have a clean Windows 10 system. Now let's talk about the second method, which gives you more control. This method uses a bootable USB drive. First, create a Windows 10 USB using the official media creation tool on another PC. Make sure your files are backed up and, if possible, download your device drivers in advance. Insert the USB into your PC and restart it. Open the Boot menu and select the USB drive. When the setup screen appears, click Install Now. If asked for a product key, you can skip it and activate later. When you reach the Installation Type screen, choose Custom, Install Windows Only. Delete the old Windows partitions until you see Unallocated Space, then select it and click Next. Windows will now install from scratch. After setup finishes, install your drivers, run Windows Update, and add your essential software. And that's how you clean install Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.